Legacia Shivu Shivaping Sakor Karainong Rabing Hao Tangkhul Chānjam hi Panyung Sangai Hao Tangkhul Chānjam hi Kara Chānjam ne Kara Chānjam hi Ningai na Porga Kui Maning Mane Ka Karanau Bing na Kashi Kapa Mazapta Pasagay na Tegui Gaya Tangkamay ne Practical Wisdom ne Chānjam hi Mithot Kaya Kawakti Raga Aiwi Eina Ragashog ne Tegui Gaya Tangkamay hi Naura Ara Zana Mirin Sangawai Mushman Gabaya Shimri Sada Haimi Gaine Tegui Gaya Tangkamay Jina Sagabai Masagabai Kurahi Kashine Kapane Gaji Horsak ta Hangjite Chānjam na Hangjite Quickasanga Bingna Mirin Zange Mehengasanga Bingna Mitun Makungtuna Naung Sai Kara Chānjam hi Karanau Bingwi Shikisangri Okti Kara Aina Aruhonwi Shikisang Ara Belief System Ajar gawi timpun riwat eina aruhon riwat ngadai hauda kajigatari kara Chānjam hi maja kana tada le sapaye ka adamji taranwi osak amyawian katada le sagara gaji aina aruhonwi kasa kawari kora ka shok shokdi chakhuya ka mathame karda shishin baye riwang eina Chānjam hi oktui khari oktui kanao bingna ngayo khui kawaiwi ngayoyan ne honjo ne Yokwi Gawaiwi Gyoyan Hina Mikachi Vari Hangjitejia Ishi Hao Tangkhul Yuri Hia Midi Shairaga Maring Mane Ka Mabo Zamabo Mangra Jotta Watkasa Aina Mirin Zange Kamong Sini Mikaji Vui Saran Lay Kipak Naka Mujon Makan Bai Mane Jingum Luyao Taibrung Re Blekawa Dam Rum Laugasa Dam Shim Kabana Dam Le Sere Adamli Makan Naga Mok Bai Mane Gaji Hangjite Ajay Gataya Shinao Mianao Sakwai Abong Jungai na Rakjite Haidale Makangatona Midi Mishikasanga Dui Eina Hangjite Haidale Amiawian Kuyan Mashar Kuru Baimane Shar Kuru Hayaka Gashong Sampanga Gaji Hitata Hang Haida Lay Mikumo Aina Kangaja Dimron Niger Kara Mangra Kabayari Oktui Kurum Kara Atumiya Jam Kasakawari Bantam Saraka Hanga Haiga Jungazange Juwangaina Kara Chānjam hi Shimkur Gajivowi Ava Vana Naurari Hangjiteng Sangaye Kara Warshimli Skulli Oja Bingna Jishut Kawaiwi Lyric Textbook Sada Tamjiteng Sangaye Kara Chānjam hi Taisalaga Chānjam hi Atishura Okti Hauni Gaji Ishi Tangkhul Yur hi Ajay Gataya Yur Tangkama Yur Shisang Gabaya Yur Gashok Zangataya Manga Shong Zata Yur Akang Sahara da Shisange Bungaina Asham Taya
Like the lead and pot.
Ajay Are Gatay Pamay Tuya
Etiquette is the best policy.
A joke at Ha Mazangra Harvu Shongrong Gai Tada.
A woman as promiscuous as broody hen, as promiscuous as a broody hen.
Agato Ajnari Mangahanteraga Kyang Mai Tai Ina.
Estrangement to siblings but kinder to strangers.
Agui Ayivuna Baivu Tada.
As ugly as a tree stump or a spud.
Aji Gajang Ti. Akanama Gajang Kabum. Kanautuma Okra.
Waning crescent today, no moon tomorrow, waxing crescents the day after.
Agudara Mateda Matera.
Oblivion of the inside out.
Akama Gaji Mitit Kuna. Arishika Moraimana.
Procrastination is a death blow. Now is the best time.
Akama Jingre.
Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow never will.
Akarak Umraka.
Well built.
Ako Ajay Reddaga Ngajon Parunga.
Relative help as per shared responsibilities.
Akok Arang Kangasau Tada.
Like a synchronized dance of hornbill.
Ari Kapa Saling Tidi Kapa Tada.
Searching for him is like looking for a gallbladder of an ant.
Amare Wakaina Ripuru Maria Tada.
A lying tongue as that of a field snake.
May Ama Maria Ngajan Mishamane.
There is a reason behind every gossip.
Anau Ngatansat Kaza.
Baby comes as bonus.
Angrun Makray Mayon Jamtane.
Beauty without shelter is the root of poverty.
Angashun angaray sagzagru.
Determine the order of tasks and series of activities.
Anni awo abu awawi kishui kanam kishui gazam naungara rehavungrana rutmi burunga.
Children and daughters-in-law are duty-bound to scrub the feces and dirty of parents and in-laws.
Anniya zarshirai pashirai maningmane ahai ngareu patrake.
They are not uterine siblings, but full siblings.
Ano shirat mareira ngao hangaka gashong punga.
To blurt out hearsay is to penalize oneself.
Apam aray magatewi wang oroko aina shokaurama.
Unfamiliarity of the beginning and the end led to inexplicable outcome.
Abu arao matai rakra matui sang papari.
Talking out without knowing reasons.
Apyeri kohon taire.
Like waiting for the sluggard appear.
Apom ayui makong livu ponton tada.
As grotesque as a pot-bellied buffalo.
Apong gachi vuri angatan kasere.
Everything has a handle.
Aru azari majin mahai paimane.
Thou shalt not abhor thy grandchildren.
Aru kwiri musungra apiri kaseng.
Battling with the flesh but not the bone.
Aru havuri manishira kai kongri ningishi kami kata.
Like mother-in-law thanking the shrimps and fishes rather than her daughter-in-law who shared her the yummy dish.
Aru shikha muremane.
Now is the best time.
Ashan atun vaipurunga.
There are ups and downs. Social mobility is a given.
Ashang aramli sangkamasui shi kamuremane.
Being sociable is the best.
Ashi atai satu da tulaka.
Bitterness and resentfulness are an unpleasant inheritance.
Ashuma shavu tada.
Like Ashuma's mom.
Atip arun makarung.
Not having a permanent shelter.
Atung shingri arung ahapak.
United it appears, but broken within.
Abu avari chinshare.
Thou shalt not despise my parents. Thou shalt not be annoyed with your parents.
Abu avari kongishi mi mishodati.
Cursing one's own parents reciprocates with tragic death.
Abu ava kanang da kanang ida.
Siblings are as crooked as their parents, as bad-looking as the mixed color of their parents.
Abu avana shimrui paye. Mayang rana mayoni yanga.
Parents look for wealth, but youth after looks.
Abu tira ashamri chapkasat.
Mourning for others while one's own mom is dead.
Awo aidi mikha nga garshare. Mikha nga panshare.
Thou shalt not raise one's eyelash in disapproval to progenitors.
Awo aidi yomshare.
Thou shalt not abuse progenitors.
Awo aiwi lamyairi shimri kardi kangri purunge.
Ancestors' fields of are normally passed on to the next kin.
Awan mo na atay kamatay.
Bearing fruit without flowering.
Awo shidi are ngarana ngakaishi share. Yang mazin share.
Thou shalt not defy your maternal uncles.
Awi chanhana katur kapagna tingpang katek taye.
His or her sour tone of expression is like breaking the branch of a tree.
Awi chanhana sop sobaina satao kakanyao tamaye.
A smooth talk is like oiling.
Awi chanhan lahan langhuina gajui taye.
His or her way of talking is like a stinging nettle.
Awi chanhan lahan tingna kangwi taye.
His pleasant tone of expression is like the nodding leaf.
Awi lasa kaifu kon tada.
His or her croaky voice sounds like a frog.
Awi shimruya paishui pairui ngasahere.
His or her properties become useless.
Awi dupayat la payat mekaina kazing kanim taye.
His dialogue is like a pleasant weather.
Awiya abu apet mupha kuimane tanga hidipi tanga jishong busamane.
His stations are very uncertain. One day he sleeps here, other days he rests there.
Awonga shina ngatunga ka ngatung kare.
Doing everything the royal family does.
Azakmangri mayangro.
Do not take at the face value only. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Ai khong para thada.
Like Ayi Kongpala.
Ai pang pao vu thada.
Looks like the creepy Pangpaovu.